Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Southern Wealth. I do hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you do enjoy the content, please consider dropping that like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, so thank you very much. Now, quick update on crypto. Ethereum spot ETF, there are some rumors that it seems to actually be going well, so as the Bitcoin spot ETFs in the US. And you can tell that even with stocks selling off, bonds selling off, crypto has remained fairly stable, which is a sign of being in the recovery year and approaching the end of the recovery year, because these kind of events would have completely derailed us into the future. Now, a few days ago, I did speak about XRP, and I was asked to provide a bit of my opinion on XLM. And that's what I'm planning to do here. And once again, I do hope these projects do very well. The better they do, the better the overall crypto market does, which means the projects that I'm invested in also do very well. I'm a firm believer that we want eyes and money coming into the ecosystem and there's very little to achieve by having little tribal fights. Now, XLM, in case you guys don't know, it had the same founder as XRP. There was some things about XRP and the Ripple that was involved in it that the founder didn't like. So we went on and developed XLM. XRP is a payment system. The idea is to make the payments extremely cheap, but is mostly focused to be operable within banks, while XLM is mostly focused to be operable within companies and not just banks and financial institutions. Now, one of the bad things about XRP, and this was actually disclosed in the court case, is that Ripple keeps, at least at the time, dumping brutal amounts of XRP into the market constantly. And while XLM is also owned by a foundation, I mean, not by Ripple, but by a foundation, it seems to have had less of it in the past. Now, to me, these are the important things. Does XLM have a good community? Yes. Does XLM is a scam? No. Does XLM have proven itself by surviving 2 bear markets already? Yes. Does it have a good utility meme, which is transactions at a fraction of the cost? Yes. Why am I not involved in XLM at this point? Number one, it's because it's in its third cycle. So it's in what I call the third cycle curse. If you guys don't know what it is, I have a little homework for you today. Go check a chart of Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever coin came out around 2014. 2014 or before. And check what happens every time we get into the third cycle of a coin. And see how the returns look like when that happens. There's only one exception, which is Dogecoin, which did much better in its third cycle than the second cycle. But other than that, it's a complete nightmare. I mean, the returns are still good, so in the sense that, people actually didn't lose any money. It actually made substantially more money than the stock market, no comparison possible, but it's not the same thing as the first 2 cycles. It's just as simple as that, okay? So that's number one. Number 2 is people love the utility meme. What do I mean by that? People want to say, oh yeah, because this coin is better, or it has more utility, or it does this, or it does that better, that actually the price, somehow that translates into price going up. I'll give you an example. Dogecoin in the last cycle went up 40-fold versus Bitcoin. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a copy of Litecoin, and Litecoin is a copy of Bitcoin. But Dogecoin inflates more. So it's actually worse on everything than current Bitcoin. Yet it outperformed it by 40-fold. That's my point. So to get locked into these meme notions is actually not great. And I'll give you another example, and this one is actually one in real life. Okay? What is the total valuation of payment companies in the world? So Visa, MasterCard, American Express, all of these together. All of these together total about $1 trillion in valuation. Gold, which is store of value, holds at about $10 trillion. So store of value meme better than payment meme. However, which one is more useful in people's day-to-day life? Payment service meme. But which one is more valuable? Store of value meme. So what I'm trying to say here is that people get this many times confused. They think because something has a lot of activity and is being done all the time, and it's you understand that if you use XLM, for example, for payments, that means that one side needs to sell it. Selling is not good. You want to buy and hold, right? If you buy something, you don't sell it, price tends, and there's demand for it, price tends to go up. But the thing is, people always feel the need to be doing something. What would have been the best thing you could do with your Bitcoin? Buy it in 2009. Don't touch it. Forget about it. Think about it. People that were dealing certain substances back in 2012 and accepted Bitcoin as payment and forgot that they had Bitcoin, they outperformed Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, blah, 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 everybody. They outperformed everybody. And this is what pisses people off, is the fact that a guy like that, who accepted money doing what he was doing, actually outperformed the great investors of our time. It's just the reality. So, in summary, do I want XLM to do well? Yes. Do I think XLM will do well in this cycle? Yes. Do I think it will it will create generational wealth? No. Is it appealing in terms of number of cycles where it is? No. It's in its third cycle. Is it a scam? No. Does it have a good community? Yes. Does it have applicability for the future? Yes. Do I hope it does extremely well and completely shuts me up? Yes. Am I giving you financial advice to buy or sell it? No. I'm just telling you why I personally don't think it will create generational wealth. But that's my opinion. You guys now can tear me apart, destroy me, annihilate me in the chat. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.